What is so dang funny? Really? I'm trying to do something here. Shh. Zip it. Zip it. Get yourself together, man. This is important. I'm about to hit the button. Okay? The send button. Here we go. Dear agent, can't tell you who. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful week, as it has been 90 days since I sent my full manuscript for That Which Is True Cannot Be on 11/8/25. You're interrupting the flow. I wanted to check in on its status. While I know your schedule is incredibly busy, I remain enthusiastic about the possibility of working with you. I appreciate you keeping my work under consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Best regards, Lorraine Moselle. Here we go. Hitting send.